Your toolbox is about to file a complaint. It's getting an upgrade. Makita just dropped a fresh lineup on Amazon, and trust us, your DIY brain is going to short-circuit. Grab your wallet, because these tools are dangerously easy to want. Say goodbye to slipping wrenches. The Makita Locking. Adjustable wrench grips like it means business. Grooved teeth, hex jaws, and 2 times gripping power on rounded bolts that laugh at other tools. Metric and imperial scales laser-etched right on it. 35mm jaw capacity. Your stripped bolts just met their match. Tired of tying rebar by hand like it's 1999? Makita's rebar tying tool cranks out up to 5,000 ties per charge. Brushless motor, 0 hand cramps. Single or continuous tying, auto-locking wire reel, all at 5.7 pounds. Your wrist just got a permanent vacation. Rebar work, revolutionized. No cord? No problem, no fire hazard either. Makita's cordless heat gun blasts up to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable airflow. Thaw pipes, strip paint, bend plastic, anywhere, anytime. 30 minutes of runtime. Star Protection Tech keeps it cool under pressure. Freedom from outlets never felt this hot. Your car deserves that showroom shine. Makita's 40-volt XGT polisher delivers 2,200 revolutions per minute of pure swirl-free power. Soft start means no wax flinging everywhere. Variable speed control tackles curves, scratches, and finishes like a pro. Cordless freedom, brushless muscle, detailing just got seriously satisfying. Cutting boards is about to get dangerously easy. Makita's circular saw rocks a lightweight magnesium base, electric brake for instant stops, and soft start for smooth control. Bluetooth AWS syncs with dust extractors automatically. Bye-bye sawdust chaos. Anti-restart safety keeps you protected. Precision cutting just leveled up big time. Staples flying faster than your last coffee break. Makita's narrow crown. Stapler fires 1.25 times faster, drives subflush in hardwood and softwood, and blasts up to 4,500 staples per charge. Slim nose. Toolless depth dial, only 6.3 pounds. Confined spaces? No problem, this stapler doesn't slow down. One tool, 2 superpowers, sanding and polishing. Makita's 2-inch sander switches modes tool-free. 9,500 revolutions per minute for sanding, 2,800 revolutions per minute for that mirror polish finish. Compact design nails detail work. Angled side handle keeps you locked in and safe. Precision work just got ridiculously versatile. Ice-cold beers and a hot lunch. Same box, same job site. Makita's cooler, warmer swings. From a chilly 15 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to a toasty 140 degrees Fahrenheit on demand. Runs on 18-volt batteries, a vehicle plug, or AC power. LED display tracks temp and battery life plus USB charging included. Say goodbye to that arm-cramping hand pump forever. Makita's cordless garden sprayer blasts up to 38 pounds per square inch and covers a massive 90 gallons per charge. Switch between mist or jet, 1 or 2 nozzles for total control. Weather-resistant build, shoulder strap included. Your plants and your arms will thank you. Beat the heat without the noisy roar. Makita's cordless job site. Fan delivers up to 740 cubic feet per minute on high, yet whisper quiet at just 52 decibels. 3 speed settings, 45-degree oscillation, and up to 14 hours of runtime on low. Perfect for job sites or garages. Stay cool, stay powerful, stay charged. 28,000 revolutions per minute of pure precision power in the palm of your hand. Makita's cordless die. Grinder weighs just 2.1 pounds with a contoured neck grip for total control. Powder-coated motor protection means it outlasts the dust and debris. Small tool, seriously mighty performance. Detail work done right. Stop drilling into pipes and cables blindfolded. Makita's wall scanner sees through concrete, up to 180 millimeters deep with a massive 4.1-inch color screen. Multi-detection mode shows 3 results at once, LED job light included. Dry, wet, or partition mode. This thing reads walls like an open book. Fine dust doesn't stand a chance against this beast. Makita's cordless vacuum packs a powerful HEPA filtration system that traps even the tiniest dust particles. Cordless freedom means clean anywhere, the workshop, job site, or home. Tool-free filter cleaning keeps maintenance simple. Sturdy build, ergonomic handle, breathe easy, work dust-free. HVAC pros, listen up. Makita's dual-stage vacuum pump hits deep vacuum pressure fast with dual-stage compression, delivering 113 liters per minute. Runs up to 60 minutes on 2 batteries. Auto switches with LED indicators. Electromagnetic check valve stops backflow, even on empty. Deeper vacuums, 0 compromises. 1,950 inch-pounds of pure torque monster energy. Makita's 4-speed impact wrench outpowers, outsmarts, and outlasts the competition with 9 digital modes and 50% faster speeds. XPT protection laughs at dust and water. One-touch speed selector for total control. Heavy load applications just met their boss. Chaos in your toolbox? Not anymore. Makita's MAKTRAK. Deep compact organizer opens from both sides, glove-friendly latches included. Battery tray keeps chargers sorted. Metal reinforced locks add serious security, plus a hidden slot for a tracker. Horizontal design fits your long tools. Organization just got an upgrade. Say goodbye to that dust cloud in your face. Makita's Rotary hammer. Dust attachment sucks debris straight from the hole, seals tight with dual air chambers, and stays attached during drilling. Fits bits up to 2 inches, flexible neck for easy positioning. Dust control just got seriously effortless. Concrete surfacing without the dust storm. Makita's concrete planer packs a 12.0 amp motor hitting 4,000 to 9,000 revolutions per minute, with integrated dust extraction built right in. Anti-vibration design keeps your hands happy during long jobs, variable speed dials in the perfect cut. Concrete work, seriously refined. Reach branches you never thought possible. Makita's extendable pole saw stretches up to 14 feet total, with 9 angle settings and a 120-degree working range for precision cuts. Up to 500 cuts per charge, tool-free chain adjustment, and a branch hook to pull down debris. Tree trimming just got effortless. Digging holes just got a serious power upgrade. Makita's cordless earth auger delivers AC-level power with 1,500 revolutions per minute, automatic torque drive tech, and a reversing switch for stubborn clay soil. Built-in clutch protects gears, twin LEDs light the way. Lightweight, powerful, unstoppable. Groundwork dominated. And that's a wrap on Makita's Amazon lineup. Your garage just got a serious glow-up wish list. Which tool stole your heart and your budget? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe, because trust us, more tool temptation is coming your way.